Ready to ditch endless swiping and find your person? Let's break down Facebook dating, Hinge, and Tinder to see which dating app reigns supreme for your needs. First up, Facebook dating. Integrated right into the Facebook app, it leverages your existing network. Setup is easy. It pulls info from your profile, but you control what's shared. A key feature is Secret Crush, where you can anonymously express interest in Facebook friends or Instagram followers. Now, let's talk Hinge. Marketed as the dating app designed to be deleted, Hinge focuses on meaningful connections. Profiles are rich with prompts and conversation starters. Instead of swiping, you engage with specific parts of someone's profile, making it easier to initiate a personalized conversation. Next we have Tinder, the king of swiping. It's known for its large user base and simple interface. You swipe right to like, left to pass. Matches are based on mutual interest, and then you can start chatting. Great for a wide variety of people that are looking to date. User base matters. Facebook dating's user base is diverse, reflecting Facebook's broad reach. Hinge tends to attract users seeking more serious relationships. Tinder's got a massive, but is known for casual dates. So, your dating goals should influence your choice. In short, Facebook dating is great if you are looking for something quick and easy. Hinge is best for serious relationships, and Tinder is great if you want a ton of choices. So, which app will you choose? Good luck.